Hi guys, welcome back to Touch TV. And now we are going to teach you how to make a butter bread pudding. The ingredients we have in here is bread. You can either use white bread or use the wheat sandwich bread. And we have egg, raisins. And you can either use the vanilla strip or vanilla extract. It's up to you. And we have cinnamon powder, some cream, milk, and some brown sugar. The first thing you want to do is to take your fingers. You want to butter your cooking tray, just like this. Otherwise, after cooking, you are not able to take it out. You just rub all the butter on the bottom. Make sure every corner has some butter in. After you finish, take a bread. Here. You can start cut into a triangle shape, like this. And then in the other, just a small triangle shape. Just like this. And then you can start butter one side of the bread. You can butter both sides, but you get a bit messy on the table. So I prefer to butter on one side, just like this. After you've done all buttering on your bread, you can start putting some raisins on your cooking tray. You start layering your bread. You can either choose to keep the crust on or not. It's up to you. I like to keep the crust on. It gives more texture to the pudding. Like it. And then one layer of raisins. And keep stacking. You don't have to fill in all the spaces in the tray, because you have to leave some space to put the custard mixture in. Okay. Start laying all your bread. Final layer of raisins. And now we have 3 baked eggs on the bowl. And then we are going to use 2 more egg yolks. Let's get our egg yolks out. In. first. You can add the sugar into the egg mixture. And then you can now measure your milk and cream. Into the pot. And cream. Into the pot. And then you take your vanilla strip. Cut it in half. And use the back of your knife to scrape all the seed out. As you can see, we have the seed each. All the seed. And then put it in the cream mixture. And now you can turn on the heat. Start cook to almost at boiling point. You have to keep stirring the cream mixture, otherwise it will get burned. Okay, you can put some cinnamon powder in, just a little.
Can we only use milk or use cream?
You have to use both milk and cream, but you can add more milk to have a smoother texture. Cream gives it a richer texture to the pudding. Yeah. Now what you want to do is take a towel, put it around your bowl so it won't move around. It will be more safe. As you can see, the cream mixture, the custard mixture is at the boiling point. You can turn off the heat and gently put into the egg mixture, but you don't want to put in, you don't want to pour in the milk and cream into the egg, otherwise it will become scrambled egg. You have to
So we need to put slowly and
yeah,
slowly.
slowly. You have to behave and slow. Remember, don't put the scrape inside, just take it out. This one, just take it out. Sorry. After the custard mixture is mix it together. Just mix. You can just pour the custard mixture into the bread. Now, you want your pudding to sit for a while to let the bread absorb the custard. You will have to let it sit for 10 minutes. You can either use your spoon or your fingers to touch the bread and help it absorb the custard.
So I can press the bread
Yes.
to make it absorb more.
Yeah. You will help it absorb more.
How long again to absorb it?
It will take about 5 to 10 minutes.
Okay.
Yeah. So let it sit for a while first. After absorbing, you can take your brown sugar, put some on. It will act like after baking, it will become caramelized and gives it a richer texture and flavor to it.
Can I use a smaller kind of brown sugar?
Yeah, sure. Any kind of brown sugar is fine. You can either use white sugar also, but the texture will be richer for the brown sugar. Now, turn on the oven at 150 degrees for 40 minutes.
So 150 degrees
Yeah.
for 40 minutes.
Yeah, you bake for 40 minutes at 150 degrees. Okay. Now you can just put it in the oven. In the very last step, you have to make sure that you put some hot water on the cooking tray. It will act like a steam cook function to it. Okay. And let it bake for 35 to 40 minutes. And now you can start cleaning up your tables.
So soaking for 10 minutes,
Yeah.
and then afterward put it inside the oven for
35 to 40 minutes at 150 degrees.
And remember, need to put the hot water for a bathtub.
Now, this will be your bread pudding, your butter bread pudding. Fine. As you can see, the sugar is kind of melted and become caramelized. And you can see the layer in here, layer of the bread in here. You see layer of the bread? You can either serve it warm or at room temperature. This dessert. So let's cut out and see what's inside, okay? This will be your butter bread pudding.